Hi everyone, I am super excited to share this video with you. Although this video is using the US case study, the principles and the financial advice will work for you no matter where you live in the world. So please subscribe to this channel because you will have a lot to learn on how to manage your finances, how to become a millionaire, how to be wealthy, and the principles you can apply right away to start accumulating and managing your finance. By the way, I am Martins. In this video, you will learn 1. The indications that the economy is heading southward. 2. How do you prepare for a recession? 3. How to make money during a recession. 4. What sells best during a recession? 5. What businesses do well in a recession? 6. What goes up in value during a recession? 7. What should you not do in a recession? It is not news that Walmart, one of the country's U.S. greatest employer of labor, is directing corporate cutbacks and rebuilding in one more sign highlighting a lull in the gig market and the American economy. Walmart said in a report last month that its working pay for the subsequent quarter and entire year would decline by up to 14%. Walmart depicted the move as a work to rearrange itself. In a proclamation, Representative Jimmy Carter said the organization is refreshing our construction and developing select jobs to give clearness and better position the organization for a solid future. It will put more in online business, innovation, well-being and health, store network and promoting deals, the assertion said, while likewise making new jobs and administrations for clients and providers. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video to help as many people as possible to cope and make money even the economic downturn. I will really appreciate it. An insider source said around 200 corporate jobs will be cut. Walmart utilizes around 1.6 million individuals in the United States as employees. Its declaration comes as the U.S. work market is cooling. Organizations are decreasing the speed of fresh recruits, and shoppers are saving on insignificant products in the midst of rising fuel and food costs. Walmart cut its quarterly and entire year benefit viewpoint last week, frightening financial backers and sending its stocks into an 8% tumble at a certain point. This week, the Bureau of Labor Statistics said that the quantity of employment opportunities, while still solid, had tumbled from more than 11.3 million in May to 10.7 million toward the finish of June. The biggest drop happened in retail, with 343,000 employment opportunities vanishing, it said. The figure is the most minimal since November. Indeed, even before the figures were delivered, Apple and Meta were requiring employing plans to be postponed. The convenience store chain 7-Eleven had laid off 880 corporate workers. Ford was proposing to lose 8,000 roles, while the electric car maker Rivian was reducing 700 employees. Estimates shows that the delivery startup Gopuff laid off 1,500 workers this year, while the mortgage firm loanDepot laid off 4,800 workers. Please like and share this video and tell us what you like about this video, and I will really appreciate it. I will really appreciate it. Also, you can drop your questions at the end of this video and I will reply to your question personally. The job market is beginning to show cracks. The report made Walmart stocks and those of different retailers drop. Target shares fell 3.6%, Best Buy 5.1%, Amazon 5.2%, Dollar Tree 6.3%, Macy's 7.2%, and Kohl's 8.9%. My financial advice for you. How do you prepare for a recession? Whether a recession is near or a bit further away, here's what you can do to prepare. 1. Update your resume. The labor market has been hot for job seekers, but that has started changing negatively since recession hits. 2. Reduce expenses. 3. Bulk up your emergency fund. 4. Pay down debt. 5. Stay invested. Do not make the mistake of hurriedly selling off your landed properties and investments. How to make money during this recession. 1. Protect your earning power first. You may consider buying the physical gold to preserve the value of your money. 2. Boost your savings. 3. Consider renting out empty rooms in your house and selling those items you don't really need. 4. Play defense with short-term investments, offense for long-term. 5. Buy heavily discounted stocks. 6. Don't fixate on your net worth right now. 7. Use dollar cost averaging. 8. Max out your 401k contributions. What sells best during a recession? Consumer staples, including toothpaste, soap, and shampoo, enjoy a steady demand for their products during recessions and other emergencies, such as pandemics. Discount stores often do incredibly well during recessions because their staple products are cheaper. If you are getting value from this video, please subscribe now, like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for doing that. What businesses do well in a recession? Healthcare, food, consumer staples, and basic transportation are examples of relatively inelastic industries that can perform well in recessions. They may also benefit from being considered essential industries during a public health emergency like the COVID-19 pandemic. What goes up in value during a recession? The stock price for countercyclical stocks gene. Rally moves in the opposite direction of the prevailing economic trend. During a recession, these stocks increase in value. What should you not do in a recession? First thing you should not do is becoming a cosigner. Second, do not go for an adjustable rate mortgage. 3. Don't assume new debt. 4th, do not take your job for granted. And lastly, 5th, don't make risky investments. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. I really appreciate you. Please subscribe to this channel and watch this next video that shows practically what you can do, where you can invest and where you can seek employment during recession. Check the first link in the description.